Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of server error on the application of Yazio. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this page we click on Yazio app. In this page we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.